welcome to the chapter time series. Students, in the previous session we have solved examples on fitting of straight line trend. So in today's session I am going to discuss the second method, that is parabolic trend. Students, it is also called as quadratic trend or second degree equation. So let us see. The parabolic equation is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. So this is equation number 1. Okay. So where y is actual value and x is time points, and here a, b and c are constants. The constants a, b and c are obtained by solving the normal equations. Students, the first normal equation is given by add both summation. So summation na plus b summation x plus c summation x square is equal to summation y. This is equation number 2. So next, again for this equation multiply both sides by x. So it becomes a summation x plus b summation x square plus c summation x cube is equal to summation xy. So this is equation number 3. And next, again for this third equation multiplied by x. So it becomes a summation x square plus b summation x cube plus c summation x raised to 4 is equal to summation x square y. So this is equation number 4. Students, see here, when in the fitting of straight line trend equation we are going to find the constant value of a and b, and here in parabolic trend here we have to find the constant value of a, b and c. So to find out the constant value of a, b and c, so we have to use these three normal equations. And one more important question, students. So it can be asked for 2 marks. Write the normal equation for straight line trend. So students, in the fitting of straight line trend we have 2 normal equations. For fitting of parabolic trend or quadratic trend or second degree equation we have 3 normal equations. So these are the 3 normal equations for parabolic trend. So for 2 marks this can be asked. Okay. The next step, students, here if summation x is 0 and summation x cube is 0, so from equation 3 x becomes 0 and summation x cube is 0. So this becomes b summation x square is equal to summation xy. So therefore you take this summation x square RHS side, it becomes b is equal to summation xy divided by summation x square. Okay, students, using this formula you can find the value of b. So this means b value you can find directly by using this formula. So the formula is b is equal to summation xy divided by summation x square. And from equation 2 na plus c summation x square is equal to summation y, because from equation 2 if summation x is 0 means what remains? Na plus c summation x square is equal to summation y. So this is equation number 5. Next, from equation 4 again summation x cube is 0, so it becomes a summation x square plus c summation x cube x raised to 4 is equal to summation x square y. So this is equation number 6. Here, students, as you know, we already using the formula we have to find the value of b. Again you have to find the value of a and c. To find the value of a and c, solving equations 5 and 6 we obtain the values of a and c. So using this equation 5 and 6 we have to find the value of a and c. Students, by substituting the values of x in the trend equation, the corresponding trend values can be obtained. Okay. Students, let us have the calculation procedure. So how to fit a parabolic trend equation. And one more, students, so this is very important question. So fitting of straight line trend and fitting of parabolic trend, So this can be asked for 10 marks. So for your exam in the section D annual exam, so one question is compulsory for 10 marks. Total we have three methods. One is fitting of straight line trend, parabolic trend, and the last one is exponential trend. Out of these three, so one question is compulsory, and these three questions are purely for 10 marks questions. So let us see, students, the calculation procedure. Step 1, as you know, first step is count the number of values, means n, whether it is even number or odd number. Suppose, students, if n is an odd number, assign 0 to the middlemost time point and write down remaining values of x. So such that summation x is always 0. As I told, if n is odd number, in the middle you have to write the 0. In the middle area you have to put the 0. And upper values, to take the negative values, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like this it will increase. And below downward values, 1, 2, 3, positive values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this it will increase when if the n is odd number. Students, if suppose n is an even number, assign minus 1 and plus 1 to the mid values and write down remaining values of x. So such that you know summation x is always 0. If n is an even number, put middle here minus 1 and plus 1. After above, you have to write the odd numbers. After minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. After minus 5, next odd number is minus 7, minus 9. So like this it will increase. And downward 1, 3, positive values, same as it is, but here positive values will increase, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So like this. Okay. Students, you know already in straight line trend equation also, we have to follow this. If n is odd number, to write middle value 0. If n is even number, the middle you have to write minus 1 and plus 1. So after writing the x value, students, step 2, to find out the constant value of x, a, b and c, second step is, students, after writing the x values, so we have to find x square, x cube, x raised to 4, xy and x square y. So we want summation of all these, right? So second step is, after writing the x values, you need to find summation. We want summation x square total, summation x cube, and summation x raised to 4, summation xy and x square y total. So after finding this, the third step is, students, obtain the value of b by using given formula. See, by using the formula directly, to find the value of constant b value, we have the formula, as you know. So using that formula in the third step, right, you have to find the value of b. So after finding the b value, the fourth step is, as you know, solve simultaneous equations of 5 and 6 to obtain the values of a and 6, a and c. As you know, equation 5 and 6, in the equation 5 and 6, just to substitute the values, solving these simultaneous equations, equation 5 and 6. So solving these two equations, with help of these equations, you have to find the constant value of a and c. Questions? After finding the value of b and a and c, the final step is obtain the parabolic trend equation and required trend value. So after finding a, b, c values, the final step is you have to write the constant value of a, b and c in the trend equation. That is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Substitute all the values of a, b and c. Then if they ask trend value, you have to find, using that trend equation, you have to find the required trend value. Okay, students, with this, in the next class, I am going to solve the examples on fitting of parabolic trend or fitting of, it is also called as second degree equation, or fitting of quadratic trend. Thank you, students.